Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make mutton yakhni pulao, which is a flavorful rice preparation where rice is cooked in a stock made with mutton and spices. So friends, let's start cooking mutton yakhni pulao. So here I have taken around 650 grams of mutton which I have washed, and now we need to boil the mutton to get the yakhni or stock. And along with the mutton we will also need some whole spices like one bay leaf or tej patta, one cinnamon stick or dalchini, 3 cloves or long, 2 small cardamoms, one big cardamom or elaichi, few peppercorns or kali mirch, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. And now we need to make a potli of the whole spices. For that, take a muslin cloth and add the whole spices into it. Now tie a tight knot from both the ends like this. And our spice potli is ready. Along with the spice potli, we will also need garlic. I have used here 4 large garlic pods which I have sliced, and few onion slices. Next, take a pressure cooker and add some water into it. Now add the washed and clean mutton pieces. Then goes the sliced garlic, onion slices, and the spice potli. I'll be adding now 1 teaspoon of salt. Give a mix and now close with the lid. And now we will pressure cook the mutton for at least 5 to 6 whistles until the mutton is soft and tender. Keep the flame on medium. So after 6 whistles, the mutton is soft now. I will remove the spice potli, and we have got a flavorful stock or yakhni. Now take a bowl and place a sieve into it and pour the yakhni. These are the boiled garlic and onion slices. I will press them with a spoon and add in the yakhni. So our yakhni is ready and our mutton is soft and tender to be fried and cooked again. Now take a large pot or kadhai and add 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or clarified butter. Let the ghee melt. Next goes 2 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 3 cloves, 3 cardamoms, few peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then goes 2 large onions sliced, and on medium flame we need to fry the onions till they are deep golden brown. Keep on stirring the onions occasionally on medium flame. By now the onions are fried deep golden brown. Next I will add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry them well. Then goes 2 red chilies. And now time to add the boiled mutton pieces, and we need to fry them for at least 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. I have been frying the mutton for almost 5 minutes, and now I'm going to add a small bowl of yogurt or dahi, say around 3 tablespoons. Mix well so that the yogurt or dahi combines well with the mutton. By now the mutton is fried well. I will add now half teaspoon of jeera or cumin powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder or kali mirch. Mix this well. And now time to add the yakhni or stock. I have not added the full stock now. We'll use if required later while cooking the rice. We will let the stock come to a boil and then we need to add the rice. So the stock has come to a boil. This is soaked basmati rice. I have added here 2 cups of basmati rice. And now very gently mix the basmati rice along with the mutton stock or yakhni. I'll add the remaining stock as well. So the yakhni or stock should be at least 1 inch above the rice. Now keep the flame on low to medium. Lastly, I will add some salt, say around 1 teaspoon. Adjust salt accordingly or as per taste. Give a mix. And now we need to cover and cook on medium flame till the rice is soft and tender. Keep on stirring and checking the rice after every 2 to 3 minutes. Otherwise, the bottom portion of the rice will be overcooked. Now again cover with the lid. So it's almost 14 minutes and the rice is cooked properly by now. And once you open the lid, you get a nice aroma of rice and mutton cooked in desi ghee spices and a flavorful stock. So this is done. I will turn off the flame and serve my mutton yakhni pulao. I have allowed the pulao to sit for 5 minutes so as to cool them slightly, and now I am going to arrange them in a rice plate. Here goes my mutton yakhni pulao on the rice plate. And friends, believe me, it's smelling too good. So I hope you will prepare this delicious and flavorful pulao recipe. I will garnish the yakhni pulao with some fried onions on top. So friends, do try this recipe and share your feedbacks. And if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such yummy and interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.